Simplify 4 plus 2i over 2 minus i. So, para ma-simplify ito, i-multiply natin yung numerator and denominator sa conjugate ng denominator. So, ang conjugate ng 2 minus i is 2 plus i. Yan. So, yan. Pwede na natin i-multiply. So, 4 plus 2i multiply to 2 plus i over 2 minus i times 2 plus i. Okay, next. FOIL method. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times I, 4i, 2 times 2i equals 4i, and 2i times I is equal to positive 2i squared. So 2 times 2, 4 plus 2i, negative 2i, and then negative I squared. Okay, so 4i plus 4i, meron tayong 8i, and then yung I square is equal to negative 1 yan. Yeah. Then 2i minus 2i equals 0 minus I. So ito maging 8 plus 8i. So 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 over 4 and minus I. So 8 minus 2 equals 6 plus 8i. Ay, ito pala. Negative I times I is I squared pala yun. Negative I squared. So bring down 4 minus. So yung I square is equal to negative 1 yan. Okay. So bring down lang natin. So negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Then copy over 4 plus 1 equals 5. So yung answer natin dito is 6 over 5 plus 8i over 5. Yeah.